Unlock seamless, secure payments by adding your Natwest card to Apple Wallet in just a few quick steps. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. You'll find it as a blue icon with white cards inside. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Select debit or credit card from the options presented. Now, follow the on-screen prompts to add your Natwest card. You can either scan your card using your iPhone's camera, or you can choose to enter the details manually. If you're entering manually, carefully type in your card number, expiry date, and your name exactly as it appears on the card. You'll then be asked to enter the security code from the back of your card and your billing address. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions from Natwest. To verify your card, Natwest will offer a couple of options. You can choose to receive a verification code via SMS to your registered mobile number, or you may see an option to verify directly through the Natwest banking app. If you choose SMS verification, enter the code you just received into the provided field. Once verified, your Natwest card will appear in your Apple Wallet, ready for contactless payments. To use Apple Pay, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal. Using Apple Pay with your Natwest card is incredibly secure, as it uses a virtual card number, meaning your actual card details are never shared with the merchant. Enjoy the convenience and enhanced security of contactless payments with your Natwest card and Apple Pay.